Hi everyone. New Generation Sportster refined. What a high-quality appearance. When this new model with a modern Revolution Max engine arrived in early summer, we got right to work and did our thing. As usual in our team, the ideas bubbled, how to tickle out of this already very good sporty base from Milwaukee still something. You can see the result here. The name P-Type already hints at it. We tried out a few things on this Sportster S 1250 for the first time, accordingly, prototypes are installed here. This means that not everything you see here in these pictures has gone into production exactly like this. Nevertheless, we did not want to deprive you of this beautiful conversion. Its owner Christian is rightly proud of his bike and travels a lot with it. The decisive measures, which make the machine even more crouched and cleaner, concern the front and the rear. The license plate is placed on the side and the turn signal tail light combination under the rear. The front turn signals are mounted as a quickie on the fork and a small GRP fender covers the tire. A few body parts such as the windshield, timing belt guard, grips and pegs, and various covers round out the project. Complementing the gold-plated wheels, Cruise Design's paint job in subtle gray with muted gold provides the high-quality appearance. Parts and details. Please note that some of these parts you see in the pictures were prototypes. In this list you will also find the similar parts that we produce for the Sportster S. As always and with the same quality as we produce the parts for all other Harley-Davidson models, made in Hamminkeln. Thanks for watching.